In this lesson, I will be talking about constants. A constant in C++ is a fixed value that cannot be altered or changed. Constants are treated just like regular variables, except that the values assigned to them cannot be modified or changed. In programs with large amounts of written code, it becomes very easy for values to change without the programmer knowing about those changes. One way to prevent this from happening is to use constants. There are two ways we can define constants. The first is when we use the define preprocessor, while the second way is when we use the constants keyword. Let's look at how we can define constants using the define preprocessor. The syntax for using the define preprocessor directive is as follows. First we start with the hash symbol, followed by the keyword define, then its identifier, then its value. Because the define directive is not a C++ statement, but a directive to the preprocessor, you do not include a semicolon at the end. The syntax for using the constant keyword is we type the keyword constant, followed by the data type, followed by the identifier, then comes the equal sign, then its value. Remember to end it with a semicolon. You can think of it just like declaring variables with the addition of the constant keyword at the front of the statement. In front of you, I have created some examples showing how constants is created using both methods explained earlier in the video. As you can see, I have defined width, height, and length with a value of 3 using the define preprocessor method. And just below that, I have created and initialized a double pi variable with the value of 3.14 using the constant keyword. In the main method, I can also display those values using the cout routine. So that just about ends this tutorial. Remember, you can create constants using two methods, the define preprocessor method and using the constant keyword method. So thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more tutorials.